I share my white bread, my butter, and my cheese. A young girl says to me, "Now I have eaten such wonderful things, I can die happy." I stay there that night. We sleep 9 in the room. In the morning before leaving, the peasant says to me, "Things are terrible here, but go down to the Poltavo district, it's far worse. You will see hundreds of empty houses." Some have gone away, but most have died.
It has been noted that cannibalism is becoming commonplace, as it did during the 1921 famine. People kill children and acquaintances, even strangers in the street. Each day that goes by encourages these people in the idea that it is perfectly acceptable to eat human flesh.
My shoes are wearing out from walking along the rough icy stones along the railway tracks. With each step, I feel the hard stones